Hi everyone, nandito na po kami sa Manam Restaurant. Of course, kasama ko po sila. Mga mababait at gwapo at maganda kong kids, everyone. While we are waiting everyone, busy po sila sa kanilang cellphone. Even me, I'm busy for taking a video, guys. Of course, gusto mo maging vlogger, busy ka talaga kahit ano na lang i-videohan mo talaga. So, nandito na po yung aming order. Yeah, I ordered a bulalo, a pancit, and vegetable with it, pakbits, parang ganun na nga yun. At saka yung watermelon beef, napakasarap po niyan, everyone. Favorite po yan ng aking anak. And they're all telling me that stop taking a video on beef. Paborito ko din po yan. Sarap po niyan, everyone. So, gulay is life. So, nag-order din po ako ng gulay. At I think I order also laing, everyone. Masarap po talaga yung pagkain po sa